Welcome back to my channel. Let's really discuss a very good set of numbers, really excellent set of numbers from a company called UPL United Phosphorus Limited, which were declared during the market hours at the end, I think just 15, 20 odd minutes before the close of the market. So, a good set of numbers, really good improvements in margins and all. Let's discuss, the numbers now. Let's quickly analyze the numbers. So, starting with revenue, 10,907 crores versus 9,887 crores last year. So, YOY, 10% of jump in the revenue, very good jump. Contribution profit, 4476 versus 2689, 66% jump in the contribution profit. Again, very good number. Contribution margin is 41% versus 27.2. That is an increase of 1380 bps. That means 13.8% of increase in contribution margin. Fixed overheads, just a 2% growth. So EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxation, depreciation, and amortization, 2163 crores versus 416 crores, for 20% jump in EBITDA. EBITDA margin 19.8% versus 4.2%, 1560 bps, 15.6% of increase in EBITDA margin. Excellent set of numbers. I don't know what Shroff Brothers did, but these are really, very, really good numbers. I think across best numbers that I really saw, I think from the earnings, from the start of the earnings season, really good numbers from UPL. Now, amortization or depreciation 1689 versus 677. Net finance cost 704 crores versus 716 crores. They are repaying debt. That's an impact that you can see. That's a decrease in 12 crores of finance cost. FX gain or loss, there was loss of 108 crores this quarter. Last year, same quarter, around 613 crores loss, where 256 crores was a one-time impact last year. So net on this year, this quarter, there was 500 crores less loss. So that's a profit for you. That's a gain of 500 crores. So a PBT 709 crores versus 1623. Even if you take out that 500 crores of FX gain, there's a 209 crore still PBT. Okay. Now here is something that you have to see now. After EBITDA figures, all as some, you'll have to analyze very deeply now, because numbers are again very confusing here. If you see tax, 499 crores reversal of tax versus 59 crores reversal again. This reversal includes 592 crores for the provision of tax on account of favorable orders from the appellate authority. So there's a reversal of 499 crores of tax this quarter. Otherwise, there was a PBT actually should have been 200 crores, 700 crores, 709 crores. में से FX gain निकाल दो. That's not your operating profit. So 209 crores versus there should be a C. There was a reversal of tax last year also. So 59 crores same उतना ही डाल लो. तो roughly around if you take out the 500 crores to 200 crores, so if you more add up 59 crores, so that should be around 260 crores of PAT is what the real you analyze the things. Really, you analyze the thing. That's a still good number. 260 crores versus 1564. If you analyze, if you compare YOY. Okay, that's why I said a really good set of numbers. Now, income or loss from associates or JV. Now, see, there's a loss this year of 278 crores versus 26 crores. There was only 26 crores loss in the previous year. So this pertains to the loss in the associate companies. Now, associate companies, the loss was the share of loss from for the UPL. So there's a more 200 crores loss share that is done this year. So you'll have to add up the 200 shares. So if you add up 260 crores go to 60 crores, फिर से add करोगे तो 520 crores of profit. Okay. So net on net, if you see, numbers are really great. If you again reiterate them on the basis of YOY, I would say 520 crores profits versus 1217 crores loss. So again, a good set of numbers. So इस numbers में देखोगे तो 828 crores versus 270 crores. So that's why I said, EBITDA, see till EBITDA, you'll understand what the numbers are. Even if you do the adjustments, go either here and there, there was a 500 crores gain in the FX, then 500 crores reversal in tax, but there was a loss in associates for around 300 crores. So net on net, if you see, numbers are very good for UPL. These are not adjusting numbers. These are really a significant improvement number. Now, revenue increased in the Europe and the Latin America the volumes were very high compared to the last year. So very good volumes, and products. The product mix was very good. That drive the margin growth. Margin was higher because of the product mix. That is what they say. That also proved. So Latin America, if you see 12% of increase, North America, if you see 67% increase, this was the reason for downfall in the last quarter. This quarter really picked up. So a really good set of numbers from UPL again. I'll have to go to the last point where it was talking about where I was discussing about the net debt. Yeah. So if you see debt, uh, December 23 or March 24, or whatever you want to read, December 23, there was a 31,346 crore debt. Here, debt this quarter, 25,870 crores. That means they have repaid 5,476 crore debt. Okay, so that's why your finance cost. If you see the finance cost, there should be some finance cost. Yeah, net finance cost breakdown. If you see 704 crores versus 716 crores, so change of 12 crores in the finance cost. So that's why this was a concerning mess. Still, they have to repay debt because still there's a huge debt on UPL. But then leverage they've leveraged it very nicely. So a very really good set of numbers from UPL. Now let's see how the budget, what the budget allocates for the fertilizer companies and pesticide companies and the other sector. There were really good numbers. Deepak Fertilizers, good set of numbers. Coromandel again, a good set of numbers again, but the stock already run up quite a few in quite a few months. It run up um in all. I think it was positive in almost all the months. It didn't fell even in this correction. So Coromandel, good set of numbers. Deepak, good set of numbers. UPL again now, very good set of numbers. So this will be a turnaround for UPL. I'm hoping that if they continue the same guidance margins and EBITDA margins and profit, so should test 700 levels, odd levels. Let's see what happens. Of course, this is breaking 52-week high. Again, not a recommendation. So, how did you find the UPL numbers? Do comment down the video. And to be updated and stay in the markets, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button also. So, yeah, that's it for today. Chalo, bye.